Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have amazing news. One UI 5.0 beta with Android 13 is now available to download and install. So in this video I'm going to show you guys what devices are eligible to get the beta and how to get the One UI 5.0 on your Samsung device. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you what is happening. I'm going to tap on settings, and if I go to the top you can see a software update is available. So if I go down and if I tap over here, you can see this is One UI 5 upgrade with Android 13. And then we have a huge list of all the new features that I'm going to dive in and show you in a brand new video within a couple hours. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this done and the eligible devices. So to download this, what you do want to do is you want to download the latest Samsung Members application. And to download that application, you want to click the link down below, which is going to take you to my website. Once you're at the website, you're going to scroll down, all right? And under download, you want to click that link. When you click that link, it's going to take you to the Galaxy Store, and you are able to update to Samsung Members app or install the Samsung Members application. Once you have that good to go, you open the Samsung Members application, all right? And then what you want to do is you want to look over here. We have a banners, or you can go under benefits, either or, and scroll down till you find the One UI beta program. You can also do the same thing here. It is at number 9, One UI beta program. You click on it, and it's going to ask you to enroll at the bottom. First, you're going to see this screen. You click on register. Once you click on register, at the bottom it's going to say enroll. Make sure you have a SIM card in your phone. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So once you do that, you click on enroll. It's going to tell you that you are enrolled, and then you will go to your settings. Within minutes or maybe a couple minutes, you're going to tap on download and install, and this is going to pop up. Okay? And then you're going to click on install, and that's going to install One UI 5 beta on your phone. Remember, this is going to be a beta software. If you really want to experience it, you can go ahead and do it. But obviously, there's going to be some bugs and stuff like that. It's not going to be the end of the world. You're going to be able to see all these new features, okay? Now, let's talk about what devices are eligible. So right now, it is only the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. It is soon going to trickle down to other Samsung Galaxy devices like the Note series, the S21, the Galaxy Folds, and the Flips. But right now, it is only available to test out on the S22 series, Ultra, Plus, and the regular S22. So that's it for this video. We're going to be back shortly with all the new features for One UI 5.0 Android 13 on Samsung Galaxy. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?